In this video, I want to show you how to uninstall, how to delete an app on your Skyworth Google TV. So let's start fresh. Press the home button on your remote control. Go down with this button. These are all the apps that are installed on your TV. So highlight the one that you want to delete. Let's say I want to delete NFL. It's currently highlighted in white. Long press on the middle button over here, the OK button. Don't simply tap on it. This will open the app. We want to long press. Select View Details. And now you have Uninstall. So go ahead and select Uninstall. Press the middle button once. OK. Wait a few seconds and the app is gone from your TV. You have now more storage space this way. This is about it. I hope my tutorial was helpful. Leave a comment down below, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.